fellow Texan, this is a culture shock. Well, a little ways down the road, let's take it to Elizabeth City. As we mentioned, North Carolina is expected to get the most from this system. The heaviest snowfall came in tonight around 6. 10 on your side's Michael Rinker is there.
Here in downtown Elizabeth City, the snow has started to really pick up. You couple that with the wind, and it's really a winter wonderland, but it could be brutal if you're out and about. By 5 p.m. Saturday night, the flakes began falling down in downtown Elizabeth City. Northeast North Carolina was forecasted to get the brunt of the snow, and one couple took the opportunity to get away from the kids and enjoy a weekend on the town.
I'm a truck driver, so I always watch anyway. So I've been driving up to Lynchburg, so we've seen this bad, so we come out here for the night.
You guys have any intention to stay here? Or are you going back to Edenton?
We got a hotel room for tonight. We're not going back. We're just going to watch the roads. We're going to watch the people out on the roads tonight.
Yeah. As the snow picked up, downtown became a ghost town, but amongst the whiteout conditions, a family looking to shop.
We're just walking around to the couple of stores that are even open.
You said you were going to an antique store. Is it kind of shocking they're open tonight?
Yeah. All the restaurants over in Moyock were closed. Most everything closed up by Wawa and Ulta.
We found that antique store, All the Things, in the heart of downtown. The owners tell us they weren't going to let the weather close the shop, especially on the last day of the month.
Had about 5 total. And it was going to be a 0 day. I haven't had a 0 day in this shop, so I was determined. I made a Facebook Live video, and that couple or that family saw the live video, and they made sure I didn't have a 0 day.
With more snow expected overnight, All the Things will be open tomorrow.
So we'll be open 11 to 6.
The snow is expected to continue falling through tonight into the morning tomorrow. So, of course, some of these roads could be real tough to drive on. So if you don't have to be out in them, stay home. And, of course, we'll have the latest for you over on wavy.com. In Elizabeth City, Michael Rinker, 10 on your side.